Hi, I'm Kelly Connor, Gateway Center for Giving's Program and Communications Manager. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and use our online St. Louis cross-sector collaborations database. The database was created as an interactive counterpart to the St. Louis Collaborations Directory, which was revised and updated in 2020. Thank you to the Sci Foundation for providing grant support for this effort. The PDF version of the directory, which is available on our website, represents a snapshot of known cross-sector collaborative efforts as of April 2020. To help keep the directory up to date as collaboration partners and leaders change, we'll be updating information on our new AirTable database. In this training, I'll cover what is AirTable, what is some of the terminology it uses, how you can view the data, and finally demonstrate it in use. So to get started, AirTable is an online database that works like a spreadsheet. It allows users to access data without requiring any specific software programs. To view the database, you just need a web browser, either on your phone or computer. The views, which are accessible on GCG's website, are set to read only, so users don't have to worry about accidentally messing up or deleting data. If you identify an error or would like to suggest an edit, please contact us at info@centerforgiving.org. The first thing to note about AirTable is that the data is viewable in different formats. For our database, you can access two views, Gallery View and Grid View. In Grid View, the information is displayed in a spreadsheet format, similar to Excel. In Gallery View, the data is displayed as a large card. Information is the same in each view, the only difference is how it appears. So you can pick the view you prefer. AirTable uses some unique terminology. Most notably, it uses record to refer to a row of data. In our case, this means a specific collaboration. Within the grid view, records can be expanded so that all of the associated details are viewable. Just go to where it says expand record, click, and you can see all the details. Same thing with the gallery view, but this time you just double click into the card to see all the details. Another term that AirTable uses is field. Field simply refers to the column within a table. To view and sort data, you'll want to use the icons at the top, seen here and here. Now I want to do a quick demonstration to show you a couple of helpful ways to sort and filter the data. The first thing I want to demonstrate is the filtering tool. Filtering allows you to filter the data so you only see certain types of information. For example, you can filter by issue area. Just select underneath where it says where the issue area has, and then click the issue area you're interested in. So for this example, I want to learn about early childhood and education. Here are all the collaborations that fall under these two issue areas. You may also want to sort by organization or participant. For this, you would go under Filter, Add Filter, where the collaboration is a specific, say I'm looking for a grant maker, and then type in the organization I'm interested in. So for this example, I'll use Missouri Foundation for Health. Notice I don't have to type in the full word for the results to start filtering. So now we have all of the collaborations that Missouri Foundation for Health is participating in. You can also do this for other categories, such as nonprofit service provider or hospital participant or government. Most organizations fall under one participant category. However, there are a few exceptions. If you're having trouble locating a particular organization, you can always use the search function seen up here. For example, Commerce Bank, which appears as both a business participant and a grant maker participant. So just simply search up here and you'll pull all the results for that organization. The filtering tool also works within the gallery view. Just go up to the top where it says filter and add the filter you're interested in. For this example, I'm interested in all the collaborations that involve food security and environmental sustainability. So here are all the collaborations that fall under those issue areas. To clear this view, just go to the top and remove the filter. Now you're back to the original setup. You can also group data. The most obvious grouping is by issue area. To do this, you would go to where it says group and then select issue area. Now you can see all the different collaborations that fall under a specific issue area. This is how the PDF version of the directory is also divided. But there are a few other ways to group the data that might be interesting. For example, you can sort by the lead entity or backbone. Now you can see all of the different collaborations that are led by a certain organization. The last thing I want to demonstrate is a sorting tool. Sorting works just like Excel. Data can be sorted alphabetically or numerically by different fields. For example, you can sort the collaborations by name, A through Z, or Z through A. You may also want to sort the data by the date the collaboration was initiated. To do this, you would sort by the date initiated, A through Z, or Z through A. In this case, A through Z stacks them in age from oldest to newest. This sort feature is also available in the gallery view. Just use the same function up at the top to sort the collaborations in the way you want. Lastly, multiple filters, groupings, or sorting functions can be applied at a time. In this example, I have it grouped by issue area and then sorted by date initiated. So I can see within each category which collaborations have been more recently established and which ones have been around for longer. To clear any of the views you've created, simply go up to the top and remove the filter you've added. That will get you back to the original view. That's it for our Airtable demonstration and training. Thank you for joining us, and thank you again to the Sci Foundation for sponsoring the St. Louis Collaborations Directory 2020 edition. If you have a question, comment, or suggestion related to our database or directory, please contact us at info@centerforgiving.org. Thanks.